Hey everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making something super delicious and healthy, pinakbet, or Filipino vegetable stew. It's packed with yummy veggies and has that perfect umami flavor from shrimp paste. So, if you love comfort food that's full of flavor, this one's for you. Let's get started. First, let's heat up a pan over medium heat and add our cooking oil. We're going to sauté our aromatics, so toss in the garlic and onion, and cook them until they're soft and fragrant. Oh, this already smells amazing. Next, drop in the tomato and cook it down until it gets soft and a little mushy. This is going to add that nice base flavor for our pinakbet. Now, it's time for the magic ingredient, our shrimp paste, bagoong. Add it in and give it a good mix. This is what gives the dish that umami punch, so don't skip this step. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Now, pour in 1 cup of water and bring it to a simmer. Once it starts bubbling, we can add our hearty veggies. Start with the eggplant and give it a little stir. Let it cook for about 5 minutes to soften up. Then, go ahead and add your bitter melon, okra, and string beans. Stir everything around so that the veggies are evenly coated with the shrimp paste and all that delicious flavor. Add another splash of water if it's looking too dry. We want the veggies to cook through, so don't be afraid to add a little more liquid to keep things moist. Once the veggies are starting to soften, it's time for the pumpkin to join the party. Add it in and let everything cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, until the pumpkin is tender and the flavors have melded together. As the stew cooks, you'll notice that all the veggies start to blend in with that rich, savory sauce, making every bite absolutely irresistible. You'll also see that the bitter melon's bitterness will mellow out, making it the perfect balance to all the sweet and savory flavors. To finish it off, add the green chili peppers and the water spinach, kang kang. Stir it in gently, and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the greens are wilted and tender. And there you have it, your pinakbet is ready to serve. Look at that gorgeous stew, with all those colorful veggies. The perfect balance of savory, slightly bitter, and just a little spicy. Serve this up with a big bowl of steamed rice, and you've got yourself a Filipino comfort food meal that everyone's going to love. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy pinakbet recipe. It's one of my favorite Filipino dishes, and I'm sure you're going to love it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more tasty recipes like this one. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out, or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy cooking!